guys, Theresa here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the green screen effect in TikTok, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Let's open up our TikTok account. Tap into the plus sign and go into effects. There are a number of effects here. You can have the green screen for photos only, or you can have one for videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the photo one. And you can actually select your own photo as well. So I just got a bunch here. And I can even zoom in as well and move myself around, which is really cool. If you can't minimize yourself or your face, you may want to try and update your TikTok account. But yeah, have fun with it. That's how you do it, guys. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. And if you have a TikTok account and you want me to check you out, leave your handle down there as well. But that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.